Hey guys, Mr. DePay here from NFT Handshake. I'm going through a concept today that's quite helpful for a lot of bidders called rotating your bids. It's a concept that I came up with because you often don't have the Ethereum needed to bid on a full range of tokens. A lot of, ever since the 1000 X balance issue, this has become a concept that is extremely important. So, what is it? You have a collection and it's going to require a lot of Ethereum to bid on everything. I took an example here with a women. The floor price is 9.3. There are 10,000 tokens in the collection. And to bid on everything, you would need 93 Ethereum in your wallet. Now, that's a crazy amount, and most people don't have that. So, is there a way that you could potentially still bid into this collection because it might be profitable, right? So, in this example right here, my wallet has 19 Ethereum in it, and it allows me to bid on exactly or just a little bit more than 2,000 tokens, right? So a lot of people, what they would do normally is they would set up their bids on World of Women, and they would bid on 2,000 tokens, like they understand that that's their limit, right? But then once the bids expire in 2 hours, they might bid on the same token again, and the same token range again, and the same token range again every time it expires. So they're only hitting these 2,000 tokens right here. They never hit these down here. And you might get a bid accepted, that's for sure, up here, but you're going to increase your odds of getting a bid accepted if you're rotating your bids, right? So the first 2 hours, I'm going to be doing this range right there. They're 1 to 2,000. Then once the bids have expired, then I'm going to submit my bids in this token range here. And once those bids have expired, I'm gonna bid in this token range right here, and so on and so on and so on, right? So basically, I'm rotating my bids instead of bidding on the same token range. And the thing is, if you submitted a bid here for 2 hours, there's a big chance that these guys are not going to accept your bid if you accept it or if you submit again, right? So you want to rotate your bids, make sure everyone gets an attractive offer, and then once you're done, you go back to the start again and you go through the list like that, right? And let's say I had 40 Ethereum in my wallet, then I could be doing two ranges at the same time. So once they're done, then I'm going to do these ranges right here, and so I keep rotating my bids. This is really, really important. And we're going to be launching a feature in the future as well, where you can just set up bids for collection with your min and max profit and tell it to rotate bids if you don't have enough Ethereum in your wallet to submit bids to the whole token range at once, right? That way you avoid going into that error stage where Opensea tells you that you have too many outstanding bids. And that's really important because once you hit that, sometimes people can accept your bids and then you're just not going to win anything. You're not going to flip anything. So how would it look inside of our tool? You just go into add new bid, and then you just put in your wallet and you put in your bid. And then the first range is 1 to 2,000. And you're going to click save and back. And then once you're done, once the bid is live, you can use the feature called rebid, which will launch everything again with the same settings. And you can just change your token range from the 1 to 2,000 to 2,000 to 4,000, like that, right? Super easy. So that's just how you use rotating bids to make your Ethereum much more profitable. You're gonna be getting more bids accepted, and this is really key. So please utilize this, guys. It's gonna help you a lot.